Let's go. What up, YouTube? Guys, in this video, I'm going to go over why you should start a YouTube channel today, okay? And if you're new to the channel, please sub up, okay? I post daily posts, videos, shorts, community posts, all that good stuff. I do that on a daily basis, okay? So if you want to get notified, it's completely free. Sub up to the channel. That's much appreciated. Always in all my videos, you can always drop those questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But please give this video a thumbs up, not a heart, not a smiley face, a thumbs up. It helps the channel and the video grow just forever, okay? But other than that, let's get into it, guys. Why you should start a YouTube channel today, okay? Especially it being October right now, okay? Going into the season, even if it was January, okay, even if it was May or June, but especially for the newbies coming in October right now, going into the seasons, this is one of the best times to start a YouTube channel, okay? Towards the end of the year, that's when the CPMs go up. All the revenue is just going like this, guys. It's just going like this, okay? And it is super huge to jump on this train. Okay, no diddy. When TikTok ends in January, that is going to be huge. Okay, TikTok will be ending in January because it is not going to sign over anything to the United States. Okay, understand that. So all that traffic, all those people from the United States, they're going to somewhere. It's going to be YouTube. Understand that, right? YouTube is going to be quadrupled, okay, in the upcoming years. That's for sure going to happen, okay? Especially with TikTok on the verge of ending here in January, okay? Just in a few months. So again, going into the season with TikTok about to end, like, this is a perfect time to start a YouTube channel, okay? Understand when you have, when I say start a YouTube channel, I mean not just have one, okay, but have one and make content, okay? Make videos, make shorts, all that good stuff, whatever, float your boat on that. All right, so understand that. It's super huge to understand that all you got to do is be you. Okay, tell your story and the job is done. Tell your story, the job is done. Okay, and some people's journey gets a head start. Some people go a little further than other people, right? You got to understand that. It is what it is. That's life. Life's not fair, okay? All you can do is study and then try to twist it and turn it into your own way, okay? Whatever that is. All right, this channel is dedicated to helping people make money, okay? Quit their 9-to-5, start making money how they want to make money, okay? I do that in 3 different ways, all right? YouTube, okay? Coaching, and curb painting, okay? Everybody knows what YouTube is. Everybody knows what coaching is. Curb painting, not everyone knows what curb painting is. And it is what it is. Not everyone knows about everything. It is what it is. But yes, these are the 3 things that I create content on because they grow off of one another, okay? And I don't want it to get twisted. The number one focus is YouTube. Why? Because that's the big picture. YouTube is the big picture. All those other things that you be doing, okay, that's not it. That's not it. All right, the big picture is YouTube. Okay, can't stress that enough. All right, and people have to understand. There's a lot of people that just won't press record on that first video, and that's all you gotta do is press record and go. That's all you got to do. It's super simple, okay? I'm going to be honest with you. I use AI technology to jumpstart all my videos and to get most of my traffic, right? I use AI because AI is the future. So I want to take the future and YouTube, and I want to put them together. And the best way I do that is with vidIQ. Okay, I'm gonna drop a link below. I'm gonna drop 2 links below. Okay, one link is for vidIQ. Okay, I want you guys to check it out. Click my link, get signed up. It grows your channel. Just I can't even put a number on it. Okay, understand that vidIQ, for those who don't know what that is, vidIQ is an AI technology that is inserted into your YouTube channel and into YouTube as a whole. That's crazy. Okay, understand that, right? So once that happens, you don't have to, your number, you can get a better reading at your numbers. You can look at what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong a little bit better, a lot better. Okay, understand that vidIQ helps you do everything you need to do to have a successful YouTube channel. I guarantee you that. Okay, and even if you want to just try it for a month, okay, and try the just try it for a month, see how it works for you, which I'm sure after a month you'll be like, okay, yeah, this is it, this is what I need. Okay, I promise you. Okay, just try the trial and then incorporate, you know what I'm saying, get it connected with your channel, and then just go press record. That's all you got to do. This could be your way out. And you don't even realize, well, it's not, that's not exciting. Well, you don't know because you haven't pressed record. You got to press record and then you go from there. It's that simple, okay? This is the future. You can be left behind like everybody else, working their 9 to 5, getting told when to go on break, right? When you can go on vacation. I ain't with that. I don't do that. Never again, okay? So if you're watching this and you're super serious about my financial freedom, right? Where you do what you want when you want to do it, I strongly recommend you look into vidIQ. Okay. On the second link, guys, I'll drop that second link, and that'll be a online master course that I provide for curb painting. So if that's someone whether you're a teenager or adult, and you want to start a side hustle, maybe even a main hustle for right now until the YouTube gets bigger, right? Because you make really good money in a short period of time with curb painting. Okay, so I'm gonna drop 2 links down for you guys to check out. But listen, just do it.